Hello, young researchers. I am Captain Color, your intrepid leader and guide on this journey of discovery. Today we have an opportunity to unravel the secrets of one of nature's most beautiful and mesmerizing phenomena, the rainbow. Isn't it magical how the heavens above us paint this breathtaking artwork? Aren't you curious how this spectacle of colors is created? So are we ready, gentlemen? Are we prepared to dive into the heart of this mystery? Imagine a day when the sun is shining bright and radiant, even as beads of rain gently fall from the sky. Yes, it's possible. A phenomenon that can only be described as a sunny, rainy day. Isn't it fascinating? It seems like a contradiction, but in reality, it's the perfect recipe for creating a rainbow. Now you might wonder, how can two such contrasting produce something so magical? Well, that is what we're here to learn today. The primary ingredients in this recipe are the sun and the rain. When these two meet, they create a breathtaking sight, a magical mix of light and water that paints the skies in a myriad of colors. But how does this happen? This question leads us to the heart of our experiment today. To replicate the effect of the sun, I've brought along this flashlight. It might be as bright or as hot as the sun, but it serves our purpose just fine. As for the rain, I have this spray bottle. It might seem simple, but it's the key to unlocking our understanding of rainbows. So, are we ready to learn how these everyday items, a flashlight and a spray bottle, can help us understand the magic that is a rainbow? Remember, every great discovery begins with a question, and today asking, how is a rainbow formed? I brought this flashlight to imitate the sun for our demonstration. As for the rain, I have this spray bottle. When sunshine light passes through, it may appear white to the naked eye. Amazingly though, it is actually a blend of all the colors that our eyes are capable of perceiving. Each color within this light we refer to as sunlight possesses its unique energy and wavelength. Distinct characteristics distinguish one from another. These individual colors, unseen in the white light, hold their own magical secrets, waiting to reveal themselves under the right circumstances. Now let's take a moment to discuss these colors in more depth. They are the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each possesses a unique wavelength and energy, a characteristic signature that makes it unique. Now consider a humble raindrop, seemingly insignificant and transparent, nothing more than a tiny droplet of water. However, when hit by the powerful rays of sunlight, this tiny droplet undergoes an extraordinary transformation. The sunlight, as it enters the raindrop, alters its course in a process known as refraction. The light, once straight and narrow, bends and shifts as it enters the medium of the raindrop. Inside the raindrop, the light continues its astonishing journey. It is here, within the confines of this tiny droplet, that the sunlight starts to split into its component colors. This phenomenon, known as dispersion, is a marvel of nature, akin to a prism, in which the white light divides, revealing the full spectrum of colors hidden within it. Once the dispersion process is complete, the colors are further affected. As they hit the inner surface of the raindrop, they bounce back. Like a tiny mirror reflecting the colors of the sunlight, the inside of the raindrop plays a crucial role in this process. Pay close attention. You're about to witness a spectacle, the light exiting the raindrop in the form of beautiful, vibrant colors. This spectacle, this grand display of colors, is a result of what transpires inside raindrop after the sunlight has bounced off its interior. The collective result of refraction, dispersion, and reflection, all happening within the tiny confines of a raindrop. As the colors prepare to leave the raindrop, they undergo one final transformation. Bending once more, they refract again as they exit and make their journey towards your eyes. This refraction is slightly different for each color, as each one has a unique wavelength. As each color travels through the raindrops and back to your eye, the refraction causes them to appear at angles, creating the beautiful array we see the sky. The color red, with its longer wavelength, refracts the least, while violet, with its shorter wavelength, refracts the most. This scattering of colors, this dispersion of light, creates a breathtaking phenomenon in our sky. Each color seems to have its unique place, its spot in the sky. And when these individual colors come together, it results in a brilliant and captivating spectacle that we call a rainbow. And that is the process behind the formation of a rainbow. This is how a rainbow is. Light and water play a magical, playful dance up in the sky, creating an enchanting spectacle that causes the rains to take a brilliant show of colors. This breathtaking phenomenon, known as a rainbow, is a testament to the wonders of nature's magic. As the elements of nature interact, they put on a dazzling display that leaves every observer in awe. The next time you witness a rainbow, I encourage you to pause for a moment and marvel at the nature's magical mastery. It is a testament to the delicate precision of nature, a blend of science and art that transcends our understanding. Now, every time you see a rainbow, you know the magician of nature has put her wonders of science into her magic hat. Its beauty is not just in its vibrant display, but in the beauty of the scientific phenomena that creates it. I, Captain Color, have been enthralled by this magic show of nature since I was a child. My journey to decode the mysteries of nature led me to become the explorer I am today. I am on an endless quest to unravel the magical secrets that nature hides in plain sight, and the rainbow is one of my favorite subjects. I am reminded of the joy of discovery every time I see a rainbow. Its existence is proof that there is so much more to explore, so many mysteries to decode. It reminds me that our world is full of colorful adventures waiting to be experienced. Remember, out there in the world, a rainbow of mysteries waits for you to find them. Keep wondering, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time with more fun science. Bye! Hey young researchers! If you enjoyed our colorful adventure today, don't forget to express your love for rainbows by hitting that like button down below. This helps Captain Color know that you're enjoying these magical journeys into the world of color and light. Did the magic of rainbows leave you in awe? If so, go ahead and share this video with your friends. Let them join in on the fun, and together you can explore the wonders of nature right from your screens. And most importantly, if you want to continue being a part of these exciting adventures, make sure you subscribe to our channel, KidsonBlock. We have many more colorful adventures and mysteries to decode together. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when a new video is out. Stay curious, stay colorful. Captain Color, signing off.